Okay, hello children. Today we are looking at effect of light. We're looking at effect of light. We have learned so many things about light, but today's part is the effect of light. Light actually have four different effects at this level. Okay, the first effect of light we are looking at is the reflection of light. So when we talk about reflection of light, we're talking about the bouncing off of light from from different surfaces. Like the one you can see on my slide, you can see the source of light here is the flashlight, okay, the torchlight. So the light ray is coming out of the torch and is coming as a beam. It strikes on the mirror. You can see the mirror, okay? Where as the light that is coming into the surface is called the incident ray. While as it hits the surface, it bounces off, which is called reflection, okay? So the one that is bounced off is called the reflected ray, okay? So as you can see, light is being reflected. This is light refraction, okay? That's one effect of light. This normal is just a straight line down which makes 90 degrees with the surface. Here the surface is a plane surface, which is the mirror, okay? Then the second effect of light we are looking at is refraction. You can do this even at home, okay? You get a pencil or a pen or a straight stick, okay? Then get a transparent cup or a glass cup, okay? Then pour water in it and put the stick in it. You discover that at the point where whatever it is you are using, say pencil as we have here in this slide, okay? At the point where it touches the water downward, it's as if the pencil is bent. So it is actually the light that is bent there, okay? It's actually the light ray moving from one medium, which is air outside here, okay, down into water, okay? It is actually the light ray moving from air into water that is bent, okay? It's bent in any direction because it moves from one low density surface or medium into a higher density surface because the density of air here is far lower than the density of air is far lower than the density of water. So it moves from lower density to a higher density medium, and that's why it is refracted. So when light moves from from one medium to another medium, especially the low density to higher density, it is bent. Even from higher density to low density, okay, it's still bent a little. It helps it to change direction a little, bent in an angle, okay, some little angle. So that's called light refraction. The next effect we are looking at is the dispersion of light. The dispersion of light has to do with the separation of light into its different color. Here we have white light, okay? White light coming from its source, and then it strikes on a transparent glass prism, okay? It strikes on a transparent glass prism, and as it passes through the glass prism helps to separate the white light into its different color, as you can see, okay? Remember the Roy beef I mentioned in one of our lessons, okay? So, and I mentioned that glass prism help us to separate light into its different colors. So these are the colors of white light. Okay, glass prism is a medium that separates it. It moves from air into the glass prism and out of the glass prism again. And then the light is separated or breaking out into its different colors. And then finally, another effect of light that we're looking at is the formation of shadow. As you can see, formation of shadow is another effect of light. Okay, so the next slide will show us the difference between shadow and image. Okay, so we're talking about formation of shadow. It is mirror that we use to get image, but in the formation of shadow, okay, these are the differences. First, in mirror, the image is formed by intersection of reflected rays, while in shadow is formed when light does not reach behind the object. An image is seen when reflected rays, okay, approach observer's eye. but in shadow, no light enters the observer's eyes, while in image also another property is that image gives more information such as the color, structure, and many other properties, okay, while in shadow it does not provide information like colors, okay, structure, and others. Finally, in image we have image can be straight or inverted, but shadows are always straight, okay? Shadows are always straight, okay? So you can read it up and looking at the slide. And finally, I have the sixth slide. The sixth slide contains the note on effect of light, okay? So see you in our next in our class when we meet for the Zoom. Okay? Thank you very much. All right. Bye.